In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create group emails in Google Workspace Collaborative Inbox. 5 minutes. If you want a single address like support@yourdomain.com that multiple teammates can share, assign, and close out like tickets, a Google Groups Collaborative Inbox is the way to go. You'll need a Google Workspace admin account for this, since we'll start in the admin console. Begin by signing in to the Google Admin Console at admin.google.com with your administrator credentials. From the Home dashboard, look for Directory in the left-hand menu. That's where user and group management lives in Workspace. Open Directory, then choose Groups to see all existing groups in your organization. Click Create Group. You'll see fields for the group name, the group email address, and a description. Pick a clear, memorable name that reflects the team or purpose. For the email, use a simple branded address such as help at or sales at tied to your primary domain. The description helps teammates recognize the group's purpose later, so write a short, helpful note. Next, set the basic permissions. Decide who can view conversations, typically group members or anyone in your organization if you want broader visibility. Choose who can post. This can be members only, your entire organization, or external senders if you expect messages from customers outside your domain. Finally, choose who can manage members. Owners and managers are safest to avoid accidental changes. When in doubt, start restrictive and loosen as your workflow needs expand. Click Create Group to finish the initial setup. You'll be taken to the Groups page. To turn this into a collaborative inbox, open the group in Google Groups by clicking its name. In the Groups toolbar, go to Group Settings, scroll to the section called Enable Additional Google Groups Features, and select Collaborative Inbox. Enabling Collaborative Inbox gives your team tools to assign conversations to specific members, mark items as complete, and track what needs attention. This turns the shared address into a lightweight help desk without extra software. If you're prompted to save, confirm your changes. From here, you can return to the group's main page to start receiving messages at the group address and use the assign, mark as resolved, and other actions in the conversation list. That's it. You've created a group email and enabled collaborative inbox in Google Workspace, ready for your team to manage incoming messages together, clearly and efficiently.